discussing trigonometric functions. So, what are trigonometric functions? Trigonometric functions. See, in junior classes, you have studied trigonometric ratios, but in this video, we are going to study what are trigonometric functions. So, before proceeding, we need to know some basics. So, how we measure the angle in trigonometry. Now, we know that is one full rotation, that is full rotation or full revolution or complete turn is equals to 360 degree. That we have studied already in our junior classes. Now we further divide it. Now suppose if this is your 1 degree angle, although this angle is not so big, but for reference I'm taking this angle as 1 degree. Suppose if I divide this 1 degree angle into 60 equal parts like this, this is subdivision of this, then this each part is known as minute. So therefore 1 degree is equals to 60 minutes. So single dash denotes the minutes. Further you can do it, suppose if this is 1 minute angle, so you can further divide it into 60 equal parts like this. So this each part is known as second. So that is 1 minute equals to 60 second. Double dash indicate a second. Suppose my question is convert 45 degree 20 minute 10 second into degree. So what is the equivalent meaning of this? So if I take theta equals to, this is equal to 45 degree plus 20 minute plus 10 second. So we know that 1 degree is equals to 60 minute. So 1 minute is equal to 1 by 60th degree. So therefore your 20 minute will be equals to 20 by 60 degree, that is equals to 1 by 3 degree. Similarly we know that that is nothing but 1 minute is equals to, so it is 10 second is equals to 60 second, and 1 second is equals to 1 by 60th minute. Okay, so this is the relationship between minute and this. So by 60th of second, and I think it has to be 1 second is equals to 1 second is equals to 1 by 60th minute. So 10 second will be equals to 10 by 60 minutes, that is 1 by 6 minute. So 1 by 6 minute is equals to, now what is the relationship between minute and this? This is equals to 1 by 360 degree, like this. We have used this relation. So therefore this equivalent measure of this angle is 45 degree plus 1 by 3 degree plus 1 by 360 degree. Now if I add these fractions, so this is nothing but 16200 plus 121 by 360. So this angle is 16321 by 360 degree. So this is the degree measure of this angle. Now there is some relationship between the length of arc of a circle and the angle subtended at its center. What are those relations? That is, suppose angle subtended at the center, and I am writing here corresponding length of the arc. Suppose it is 360 degree. So what is the length of the arc? That is simply 2 pi r. That is the perimeter of the circle. And if it is 180 degree, then the length of the arc is pi r. And if this angle is 90 degree, then definitely it is pi r by 2. And if this angle is 45 degree, then it is pi r by 4. Now we are going to use this concept to define another measurement system of angle, that is radian measure. So therefore consider one circle. Suppose this is the circle having center O and radius r, and suppose angle at the center is say theta degree, and say length of this arc is L. So that is length of the arc AB is L. Now how will correlate this? Now we know that that is one complete rotation. That is, if angle at center is 360 degree, then the length of the arc is 2 pi r. So then what will be the length of the arc if the angle is 1 degree? Then the length of the arc is 2 pi r by 360 degree. Now we can write this as pi r by 180 degree. Now if angle is of theta degree, then what will be the length of the arc? We have taken the length of the arc is L. But if we use this relation, then this length of the arc will be pi r theta by 180 degree. Now try to understand it here. If I take here my r is equals to 1, so if r is equals to 1, then here 180 degree is equals to pi. Length of the arc is pi. So by using this will get cancelled. So we define the length of the arc is r into theta. Then this theta is L by r. This is the radian measure of the angle. Now see that it is a unitless quantity, because we know that the length have the measurement say centimeter, and the radius also have the measurement centimeter. This will get cancelled out. So this theta is dimensionless quantity. Dimensionless quantity. This is known as radian. So here theta is in radian. So how we define angle in radian? So the angle AOB in radian measure is nothing but length of the arc by radius. Now how we will define one radian angle? One radian angle is same as if length of the arc is equals to the radius. Then we have the angle AOB is of 1 radian. So this will be possible if L is equals to R. It means if the length of the arc, that is this arc length and this radius, are of same length, then the angle at the center will be of 1 radian. So it means now we have defined 1 radian angle is nothing but this is possible if L equals to R. Now one more thing, if we know that while we are mentioning the measure of the angle, we write say 60 degree. So this notation is of degree. If nothing is mentioned, then it is understood that the angle is taken in the radian. So angle is taken in the radian. So suppose if we have written say 2, it means this angle is of 2 radian. Okay, now why we need radian? Because in degree measurement, we cannot relate the degree corresponding to a real number. But after considering this radian measurement, we can have the correlation between the degree and radian, and then the real number corresponding to each degree. So now from this relation, so can we say that if my theta is say of 180 degree, then what is the arc length? Arc length in this case is pi r. So now how we have defined angle in radian? Angle in radian is nothing but arc length by corresponding radius. Now this is equals to pi r by r. So this is pi radian. But we know that whether we are measuring, say suppose if we are measuring our height, whether we measure in centimeter or in feet, the height will remain same. But this is 180 degree, so we can be relate it because angle in radian corresponding to this angle is pi radian. So therefore we can say that 180 degree is equals to pi radian. So we can say that my 1 degree angle is pi by 180. Now see, suppose if I want to convert say 30 degree, so 30 degree is equivalent of writing 30 into pi by 180. So this is pi by 6 radian. 45 degree is 45 into pi upon 180, that is equals to pi by 4 radian. Say 60 degree, it is equals to 60 into pi upon 180, that is equals to pi by 3 radian. And 90 degree, 90 into pi upon 180, that is nothing but pi by 2 radian. So now see, you can see that corresponding to each degree we have a real number. So pi by 6 is a real number. Okay, now suppose we have this relation, pi radian is equals to 180 degree. So what is 1 radian? Is 180 by pi. 180 by pi. Now let us see what is the corresponding angle here corresponding to 1 radian. So we can write this as 180 by 22 by 7. This is 11, this is 90. This is 630 by 11 degree. Now let us divide it. If we divide 630 by 11, so it is 5. Now it goes on 7, so 77. So remainder is 3. Now we know that dividend is equals to quotient into divisor plus remainder. So we have 630 by 11 is equal to 57 degree plus 3 by 11 degree. But we know that 1 minute is 1 degree angle is equals to 60 minutes. So 1 minute is equals to 1 by 60. So we can say that from this relation, just wait, how we can convert it. 1 degree angle is equals to 60 minutes. So 3 by 11 degree will be equal to 60 into 3 by 11 minutes. So this is nothing but 180 by 11. So can we divide it further? Yes. So this is coming out to be 7 and then 0. Then we have 77. Oh, sorry, it will goes on 6. 66. So remainder is 4. So we can write this as further. We can write 180 is equals to 11 into 16 plus 4. So 180 by 11 is equals to plus 4 by 11. So this is in the minute. And we further know that 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. So 4 by 11 minute is equals to 240 by 11 seconds. So we can divide it further. That is 240 will be divided by 11. That is like this. So we have 2 and it will goes on 1, say 11, and it is coming out to be 9. It goes on 8. So we can say that if I consider this, so my 1 radian angle is approximately equal to 57 degree 16 minute, and say if I not going to approximate it, or say it is 21.8 second. So this is the equivalent measure of radian. So guys, in this video we have just discussed the measurement system. We also call this measurement system as circular measurement of system of angles. So go through this video. So I'm posting the next video related to the same videos, that is problem section of this. So till then, bye guys.